what you should be eating every morning for breakfast. Quality is never an accident. I'm here to show you the best breakfast you can ever eat to stay fit and active and productive. Now follow me, guys. Today, breakfast time. So now I start first with coffee. If you like to drink coffee, you can take coffee. Myself, I prefer to drink very nice espresso coffee. I love it. But you can also take tea, black tea, or lemon tea, or whatever you like to drink with your nice breakfast. So I always start with coffee. You understand? Here is my coffee. When coffee is still going, then I show you what you have to start with. This is oat. We have banana. We have milk. And then I pick up my plate. So you measure it a cup of oats. A cup of oats. I pour it in my plate. Milk mixed up. Very nice, beautiful milk. Then I cut a piece of banana. Put it into the oats. So we cut it. Just watch me, guys. Guys, I want you guys to always stay fit and active so that you can always be strong whenever you go out the whole day. So, you watch what I'm doing. Best recipe. Oat, because you need a nutrition to start with your morning. Whatever you eat count a lot. So you have to start with very good nutrition breakfast. So that is my oats with banana going here. So here I put this. Then I use 2 pieces of eggs. So here I have to on my stove. So a little bit oil. Just a little bit oil, okay? And then you smash your eggs. Best breakfast ever to stay fit and active. A little bit salt, just a little bit slice of salt. A little bit spices, just quite a little bit, not much, that's okay. Yeah, a little bit, yeah. So, and then you turn it. You see? Few minutes, it will be ready. Best breakfast. I want you guys to always eat something very good. You should start with your breakfast with eggs. It's very nice nutrition for your body. It will keep you fit, active, and productive. So where the egg is going on, I should start drinking my coffee. I like to drink coffee because it makes me to be mentally strong. It makes me to stay focused the whole day. So I will advise you, take coffee, take tea, no Coke. Oh, Coke is not good because it's going to make you to, stay not focused. So you should drink something good, okay? So that's my coffee. I love coffee so much. So, see, our egg is ready. So, pick up my plate. Now it's time to enjoy pick up my food, pick up my coffee. So you see, this is oats with banana. When you eat this, so guys, here is it. Oat, egg, coffee. It will make you to stay fit. It will make you to be active, strong, and this is what you have to be eating every morning with your breakfast. Guys, I want you guys to take something very good for your body. I love you guys. Subscribe my channel. Hit up the notification button. SAM Agoha. Thank you. I love you guys. Let me enjoy my meal.